incongruity and juxtaposition far more pervasive and prevalent in the field of comedy. And Mitch Hedberg said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." The polarity here, not polarity, the contrast is toothpick and forest. You know, they're unrelated. But then you realize they're wood. So you found a commonality they share in common. Toothpick is wood. But the higher frequency in that context is that particular force is applied to a much higher tension. So hence the reason we find when a string on the instrument, like let's say a string or any object or any sound that is created from a force, an already established fundamental force that has fundamental tension. This already established tension, where there's a force that creates the impact, and this energy that emerges and vibrates, it causes the sound to propagate with an intensity and a much higher frequency, because the impact derived from an already established tension. That is the distinction between amplitude and frequency when it comes to the disinhibition, grandiosity, pathological compulsion. They share one